You searched how to buy shares of Intesa Sanpaolo Group. Intesa Sanpaolo is a major Italian banking group listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ISP.MI. This video is educational only and not financial advice, so please do your own research before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker ISP.MI to find Intesa Sanpaolo Group. Choose the listing that matches CBOE EU to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a short company summary and the price chart to review recent movements. Double-check the company name and the ISP.MI ticker to confirm this is the right security. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. When your order is filled, the position will appear in your portfolio with current holdings. For more information, check the link in the description.